is posing unmatched challenges to the human race. As a founder of a think tank, I, Mome Saleem, aspire to make urban areas nature inclusive. We at the Institute envision cities to be welfare hubs that would give full freedom to nature and human to coexist. Sustainable cities promise health, clean air, open spaces, greener neighborhood, clean water, food security, and nutrition for all. In 2008, human beings became urban species as more people lived in urban areas than ever before. Urban areas alone are contributing 70% greenhouse gas emissions globally, and natural resources are depleting fast. Much of it owes to the lack of proper management and innovative solutions to the environmental problems. Therefore, we require policy options. We require platforms that could bring together a multitude of stakeholders for collective impact. Policy platforms should be co-creation spaces that bring policymakers and businesses closer to the ordinary citizens. These platforms should enable city dwellers, especially youth and women, to reflect their needs and aspirations in the co-created solutions. As Elsa has already mentioned, being part of various networks, I think that today, from the platform that I'm speaking, which is GLAC, is one such community that could foster partnerships to find innovative solutions and make cities green again. Thank you.